Hey everyone, just wanted to share a quick update on this smart desk clock I've been working on. So this UI you're seeing here, it's running pretty smoothly, full HD, around 60 FPS. And it's actually not on a Raspberry Pi. It's running on an ESP32-P4. One of the harder parts was handling large images on a microcontroller. Let me switch to the weather radar mode. You can see it loads almost instantly. This is a pretty big radar image, but the P4 has a hardware JPEG decoder, so it helps a lot. I'm also using a simple image caching layer, so once an image is decoded, it doesn't need to be processed again, which keeps things fast when switching back and forth. On top of that, I added a simple glass-style overlay UI. It pulls live temperature and humidity from Open-Meteo and OpenWeatherMap, and layers it on top of the radar. Architecture-wise, everything runs in the background with an event-driven setup. So the LVGL UI thread stays responsive and doesn't get blocked. Still a lot of things to improve, but it's getting there.